Sunday RC Fun Day. Let's get it started.
All the shit she need to hear. I'm trying to see the world, babe. Let's get away from Fig. I'll get you a BBL and all different color wigs. Trips to Madrid, then I'm back to the land. I'm about to jump on this plane. I'll get at you when I land. We gon' stay up.
Everybody hanging out, having a good time.
First time out here? It's your first time out here?
We got 4 barbecue.
Oh, you regular?
Here. They small, but we got 4.
I see you got enough cars.
And everybody enjoying themselves. They do have fun on Sunday. This is the mini track set up for 110 scales.
Yeah, I better see that on Instagram.
Man,
always, man. All right, now see the blue one?
Car,
that look kind of fast.
110 scale mini.
But that white one, super slow.
And a buggy.
Super slow.
What you do on the track. Count of 3.
How many laps we doing?
1, 2, 3.
All right.
2 laps, he said.
All right. 2-lap race. The blue car's in the lead. The 110 scale blue car's in the lead. The Pam car's on his ass. Come around. The buggy is right behind him. The blue car took off. The Pam in front of him. The Pam car takes the lead. The Pam car takes the lead. He turned in 3. He's taking the lead, but he's a cheater because he sold his soul to the devil. The Pan car's in the lead, and 2 laps, and the winner right there, the slow-ass Pan car. Huh?
New guys from Riverside with the V2 channel called Cop Watch. You're able to pull it over every quadruple thing, so you'll be having just as good in your favor.
Came get some pictures of these slow cars y'all got right here. You know, Traxxas. What the fuck? I forgot the name of that one.
Hamburger or hot dog, bro?
No, I'm cool. Thank you, though, man.
Soda or water?
Man, you really on your ball, man. Yep. All right, but no, I'm cool. Thank you, though. Yep. First time out here?
No.
I'm
just getting back into it again.
All right. You don't remember me? You don't know who I am? What?
I don't come out here like that. Like every...
Well, we only be out here on Sundays, though.
Yeah. Actually not.
5 scale vehicles on a 110 scale track. You're gonna love this. You're gonna love RC racing.
Hey, we can't hear you. Whoa! Shit! Oh shit! Gas, all gas. Oh, cute.
Sorry about that, man. All right, let me go across.
No driving, cute. All right. All right.
Everybody or just 2 at a time?
We're gonna do 3 at a time. We're gonna start with the gas. Yeah. All right, gas on the line, gas. Pull back. You pull back.
They don't have no reverse.
I ain't talking about him. I'm talking about the green one. We're letting the gas go first. So, Q, you're gonna do good, man. You all right, senor? You need some Tylenol, codeine, morphine, Liberol? All right, here we go. Here we go. Blue truck, white truck, black truck, Q. All right, here we go. No, hey, it's good set over here. Right here. Yeah. On the count of 3. Orange Raceway, here we go. The main thing, finish your race, man. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right. Oh, too wide. Break it in. Blue Losi's in the lead. White hit the pole, flipped out. He back on his wheels. Blue. Q back on his wheels. All right. Oh, shit. Keep going. All right. All right. Your winner, chicken dinner. Are you running? Are you ready? On the count of 3. Yeah, you ready? All right, here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. hell no. Oh, hell. That shit like a McLaren. What happened?
Nothing happened, man.
Did you win?
Look out, Pete.
Did you win?
Look out, Pete.
Did you win? Did you win?
No, I didn't win.
All right, then. Thank you. Well, you know, what else to do with that? The youngster right here, he came in first place. I came in second place, and that's your loser right there. Hey, loser. All right. Hold on. Hey, I hear some squeaking. All right, here we go. Orange Raceway, all gas. Losi. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Q, get in there, Q. Get in there, Q. Oh, get in there, Q. Q got it. Come on, Q. One more lap. Come on, Q. Oh, shit. The white car's on his ass. Oh, shit. Q done fucked up. The white car passing. Q's all over the place. There go Q. Q coming fast. Too late. All right, here come the white car. Oh, Q, tumble wumbo. The white car takes the lead. All right. Hold up. Q, how do it feel to beat the champion? Hey, man, what happened, man? The cone? You know you're supposed to go around the cone, not into the cone. All right, here we go. All right, here come the slow max. Oh my God! Oh, I didn't say that. I didn't say it. He said not Traxxas, trashes.
Hey, yo, let me look at the XRT on that ass.
Go get it then. It's still trashes. All right, here we go. You in this one?
I'm in it.
All right, we got gas versus electric. Traxxas, losi, and rmer. Here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, X-Max is in the lead. Oh, X-Max still in the lead. Gas is fight. Whoa, shit. Oh, he fucked it up. Oh, Q landed. Q did good shit. All right, up the hill. Blue truck, rmer, losi. All right, blue truck, last lap. He digging out, he cruising for a bruiser. All right, he got his champion back. Green truck, rmer. This is why you don't buy Traxxas trash.
Man.
Traxxas trash, look at that, look. Huh? All right, we're in the pit cruise for a minute. This is Champ. He's doing a fine tuning on his losi 5T. He's using an illegal weapon. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Now, all morning we've been racing west. We finna go east. On the count of 3. Hey, hold up, man. God damn. Hey, man. Hey, Perry. Stop cheating. It don't look good. All right, here we go. Down the hill. All right, here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Xbox did good. All right, all right. Everybody did good. All right, X-Max. All right, all right. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, we got 2. It was 4, now we're down to 2. Now we're down to 2. Losi versus Traxxas. Gas versus electric. The gas is moving. The gas is digging out. The gas hit the cone. All right, all right. And your winner. Who's the winner? No, look. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Yeah. Oh, but you came in second place though.
Hey, I didn't even realize you.
Yeah.
He's so fucking fast.
Yeah. Ford GT. Kind of rallies. All right, here we go. We got the youngster against the ancient. All right, here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, black is in the lead. Black is out of it. Green is out of it. Black is on his wheels. You want to chalk that up? Huh? All right. You won the first one. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, all right. Nice clean race. Green is on the side. Green is on the side. All right.
This one is coming off again.
What?
So it starts.
Y'all gonna be able to tell who cars who?
No, huh?
Yeah, that's why I changed my color. All right, here we go. On the count of 3. Jose, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, all right, all right.
Yes, sir.
All right.
On 3.
1, 2, 3. All right, all right. Nice little wheelie. All right, all right, all right. I don't know who in the lead because both of them look the same. They drop down the valley. They come across the straightaway. All right, one open up, the other they catching up. I don't know who in the lead. Who in the lead? Can y'all tell me? Sideways. Oh, my bad. All right, all right, all right. The youngster in the lead. Jose is hot on his ass. No homo. All right, Jose catching up with him. Oh, Jose catching up with him. Did he pass him? He going the wrong way. The youngster going the wrong way. The youngster going the wrong way. He don't know what the fuck he doing. All right, Jose in the lead. The vet got it. The vet come around up the hill, up the final hill. Oh, the winner.
I got lost. You had that shit too. I got lost.
You what? You lost? Did you lose? So do that mean you're a loser?
You ain't never lying.
You right, I'm never lying. All right. What was Creighton's? Creighton. Creighton versus Creighton. Green, back it all the way up. Green, you know where you're going. Oh shit, here we go. All right. Jose, since you won, do you want to get in this one?
Oh yeah.
Be my guest.
Oh yeah.
Be my guest. Yeah, you too. But if I was you, get behind them because they're bigger. Because they're going to take off faster than you. Hell no. Yeah, you're in the right spot. All right, here we go. We got armor versus armor. All right, here we go. Oh, you want to call it? Hold up. Recall. Call it again. Go ahead, call it. said, wait. He said, wait. I think you finna call it, man. Ah! I gotta tuck my beard up, man. Ah! Oh, shit. Hey, you gotta send that to me, man. I gotta put that on my shit. All right, here we go. So you good? All right, you good now. All right, hold up. You ready? Racers. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. He knew. We're gonna give it a pass. All right. Y'all ready? Yeah. On the count of 3. You know that's Hung Junior. You ain't tripping. All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, here we go. Oh, we got upside down. All right, the leader is Armor black, Armor green. 2 side by side. Armor green, battery's dead. All right, 2 wheels, we got it. Well, Jose, where you at? All right, the youngster. Oh, Jose takes the lead again. All right, black Armor coming around. All right, he in the lead. We got up the hill. 1 more hill to climb.
What's going on? Where y'all at, man?
All right.
Where's everybody at?
Well, the youngster, he always get over there and get too much throttle.
Hey, can you give Pierre a race?
3. Uh-oh. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Oh, shit.
Get out. Go. It's over with.
Oh, shit. Ah, you mother. I think we only got 2 wheel drive.
Hell
got that?
no. Yeah.
Keep filming the race.
That shit.
Yeah, they just small, that's it. Yeah, open up. Fire team right on his ass. Oh shit. Damn, I can't remember right now. All right, here we go. On the count of 3.
What?
No, ready? Damn. All right, here we go, come around. Open up, he opening up, yep. He pushing it. All right, we got the other 2. Damn, I got that. All right, here we go. All right. Here you go, the Creighton and lapped him. Creighton come in for the win.